Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
You begin by confirming the watch is powered, charged above 30%, and updated. This avoids transfer failures. Once done, open the Hiwatch companion app on your phone and sign in. Make sure Wi-Fi and Bluetooth are active on both devices so pairing can proceed. You should prepare the wallpaper file now, JPG or PNG, appropriate resolution, so the app can detect it immediately. This first step guarantees the device can accept images and speeds the remaining process. Once paired, navigate in the app to watch faces and choose custom. You will upload the prepared image from your phone. The app crops to fit the watch aspect ratio. Make sure to align important content away from edges because bezels and complications may cut off pixels. After cropping, preview on screen and adjust brightness or contrast so it remains visible outdoors. Then hit save to cue the image for transfer. The app will show progress and any errors during this critical middle step. You finish by applying the custom wallpaper and waiting until the app confirms the sync is complete. Do not close the app mid-transfer. If the watch doesn't update, toggle Bluetooth and Wi-Fi, restart both devices, then retry the upload. Intermittent connections are the usual culprit. Make sure the image resolution matches the watch profile and recrop if necessary. One key troubleshooting tip: force quit the companion app and reinitiate pairing before a second transfer attempt to clear stale connections.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.